Welcome. In front of me is a SONY XPERIA Z5 Premium, and today I'll show you how we can enable the power saving mode. And to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the battery. As you can see, there it is, our battery indicator. Once you tap on it, it gives you the overlay, and here you have the stamina mode. Simply enable it, as it is for me, by clicking on it like this, selecting OK, and there we go. Our power saving mode is now enabled. So to disable it, once it's enabled, you can either tap on it to turn it off, or you can charge the device above 15%, I believe, and it will turn it off automatically. But I'm going to be keeping it on. As you can see, the battery is quite low, so I do want to use it. Anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.